Now we discuss about polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are large molecules containing 10 or more monosaccharide units. Carbohydrate units are connected in one continuous chain or the chain can be branched. In that first one, storage polysaccharides, it contains only alpha glucose units. Three important ones are starch, glycogen and amylopectin. Then structural polysaccharides contain only beta glucose units. Two important ones are cellulose and chitin. Chitin contain a modified beta glucose units. That is, polysaccharides get converted or classified into homoglycan or homopolysaccharides, then heteroglycan or heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides, all one type of monomers, that is example glycogen, starch, cellulose, chitin, inulin, dextran. Heteropolysaccharides, different types of monomers, example peptidoglycan, glycosaminoglycone. These are branch polysaccharides and unbranched or linear polysaccharides. Then homopolysaccharides. First, starch means carbohydrates of the plant kingdom. Sources potatoes, tapioca, cereals like rice, wheat, and other food grain. Starch is a homopolymer composed of D-glucose units held by alpha glycosidic bond, composed of two polysaccharides component amylose and amylopectin. Amylose makes up 20% of plant starch and is made up of 250 or 4000 D glucose units bonded alpha 1 to 4 is a continuous chain. Long chain of amylose tend to coil. Their molecular weight is 4 lakh or more. It is a water soluble. Amylopectin, the insoluble part, absorb water and form paste like gel. Amylopectin makes up 80% of the plant starch and made up of glucose units, but is highly branched with molecular weight more than 1 million. The branching points are made by alpha 1 to 6 linkage, glycosidic bond alpha 1 6. Then hydrolysis of starch. About every 25 glucose units of amylopectin, a branch of glucose units are connected to the glucose by an alpha 1 to 4 6 glycosidic bond. During fruit ripening, starch undergoes hydrolysis of the alpha 1 to 4 bonds to produce glucose and maltose, which are sweet. When we consume starch, our digestive system, that is alpha amylase, breaks it down into glucose units for use by our bodies. Then starch will form a blue colored complex with iodine. This color disappears on heating and reappears when cooling. This is a sensitive test for starch. When starch is hydrolyzed by mild acid, smaller and smaller fragments are produced. The hydrolysis for a short time produces amylodextrin, that is violet color with iodine and non-reducing. Further hydrolysis gives amylodex, erythrodex, rachidextrin and maltose. Then glycogen, storage form of energy in animals stored in liver and muscle, stores more glucose residue per gram than starch, more branch and compact than starch. A homopolysaccharides, that is number of glucose units up to 25,000, linear chain of a alpha 1 to 4 link glycosyl units residue with a branch joined by alpha 1 to 6 linkage, more energy in a smaller space. Glycogen in the liver 6 to 8% is higher than that in the muscles 1 to 2%. Liver glycogen means first line of defense against declining body blood glucose levels, especially between these. Then cellulose, glucose units combined by beta 1 4 linkage, straight line chain with a no branch. These allow chain to align next to each other to form a strong rigid structure. Molecular weight is a 2 to 5 million. Cellulose is an insoluble fiber in our diet because we lack the enzyme cellulose to dehydrolyze the beta 1 4 glycosidic bond. Whole grains are a good source of cellulose. Cellulose is important in our diet because It assists with the digestive movement in the small and large intestine. Some animals and insects can digest cellulose because they contain bacteria that produce cellulose. Commercial application: nitrocellulose, cellulose acetate membranes for electrophoresis. Then chitin. Chitin makes up the exoskeleton of insects and crustaceans and cell wall of some fungi. It is made up of N-acetyl-glucosamine containing beta-1,2,4 glycosidic bond. It is structurally strong. Chitin is used as a surgical thread that biodegrades as a wound heals. It serves as a protective exoskeleton in crustacea and insects. Chitin is also used to waterproof paper and in cosmetics and lotion to retain moisture. Dextrin or dextran, highly branched homoglycan containing glucose residue in 1 to 6, 1 to 4 and 1 to 3 linkage. Produced by microbes. Molecular weight is 1 to 4 million. As large size, they will not move out of vascular compartment, so use as a plasma expander. Inulin, D-fructose in beta-1 2 linkage. Source: bulbs and tubes, chicory, dahlia, dandelion, onion, garlic. Not metabolites, not absorbed nor secreted by kidney, so used as to measure glomerular filtration rate. Then we discuss about heteropolysaccharides, polymers made from more than one kind of monosaccharides or monosaccharide derivative. Example: mucopolysaccharides, agar and agarose and glycoprotein. Mucopolysaccharides first isolated from mucin, so called mucopolysaccharides. Long unbranched heteropolysaccharide made of repeating disaccharide units containing uronic acid and amino sugar. These are more commonly known as glycosaminoglycan. Amino sugar, glucosamine or galactosamine, present in their acidylated form. Uronic acid, D-glucuronic acid. Major components of extracellular matrix of connective tissue including bone and cartilage, synovial fluid, vitreous humor and secretion of mucus producing cells. Then sulfate free means hyaluronic acid. Then sulfate containing chondroitin sulfate, dermatan sulfate, keratin sulfate, heparin sulfate. Then hyaluronic acid. It is the simplest mucopolysaccharides and is a linear polymer of disaccharides which form the repeating unit. Each disaccharide is linked to the next by beta-1,2,4 glycosidic bond. It consists of two alternative units of D-glucuronic acid and N-acetyl-glucosamine linked by beta-1,2,3 to give a thread-like structure. Present in synovial fluid or of joints, vitreous humor, connective tissues and cartilage. Then function: serves as a lubricant and shock absorbent in joint, act as a sieves in extracellular matrix, permits cell migration during morphogenesis and wound repair. Hyaluronidase is an enzyme that breaks beta-1,2,4 linkage of hyaluronic acid, present in high concentration in seminal fluid and in certain snake and insect venom. Hyaluronidase enzymes of semen degrades the gel around ovum and allows effective penetration of sperm into ovum, thus helps in fertilization. Chondroitin sulfate, widely distributed in bone, cartilage, skin, heart and tendon. This repeating unit is a disaccharide and consists of alternative units of D-glucuronic acid linked to sulfate ester of N-acetyl-galactosamine. Function: in cartilage, it binds collagen and holds fibers in a tight strong network. Role in compressibility of cartilage in wet breathing. Heparin. Heparin is a medically important polysaccharide because it prevents clotting in the bloodstream. It is a highly ionic polysaccharide of repeating disaccharide units of an oxidized monosaccharides and D-glucosamine. Heparin also contains sulfate groups that are negatively charged. present intracellular in granules of mast cells and also in lung, liver and skin. It is an anticoagulant that it prevents blood clotting. Heparin helps in the release of an enzyme lipoprotein lipase, which helps to clear the lipedema after fatty meals, so called clearing factor. Then agar contains galactose, glucose and other sugar obtained from seaweeds. Function cannot be digested by bacteria, so used as a supporting agent to culture bacterial colonies. Also a supportive medium of immunodiffusion and immunoelectrophoresis. Agarose, galactose and 3 to 6 anhydrous galactose units used as a matrix for electrophoresis and a major component of microbial culture media. Then glycoprotein. Several proteins are covalently bonded to carbohydrates which are referred to as a glycoprotein. The carbohydrates content of glycoprotein varies from 1% to 90% by weight. The term mucoprotein is a use for glycoprotein with a carbohydrates concentration more than 4%. Glycoprotein are very widely distributed in the cells and perform variety of functions like enzymes, hormones, transport protein, structural protein, blood group, antigens and a receptor. The carbohydrates found in glycoprotein includes mannose, galactose, N-acetylglucosamine, N-acetylgalactosamine, xylose and N-acetyl neurominic acids. Then qualitative test of carbohydrate. To study the property of carbohydrates and to identify of an unknown carbohydrate by carrying out a series of chemical reactions. First, solubility used to differentiate mono and disaccharides from polysaccharides. Mono and disaccharides are soluble in water to give clear solution, whereas polysaccharides are insoluble in water. Then Molish test for all carbohydrates. Carbohydrates when treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid undergo dehydration to give furfural derivatives. These compounds condense with alpha naphthol to form colored product. Pentoses yield furfural while hexoses give 5-hydroxymethyl furfural. This is a sensitive but a not specific test and is given positive by all types of carbohydrates. If the oligosaccharides or polysaccharides are present, they are first hydrolyzed to monosaccharides which are then dehydrated by given the test positive. Then Benedict test to differentiate reducing sugar from non-reducing sugar. Carbohydrates with a free aldehyde or ketone groups have the ability to reduce solutions of various metallic ions. Reducing sugar under alkaline conditions tautomerize and form enediols. Then enediols are powerful reducing agent. They reduce cupric ions to cuprous form and are themselves converted to sugar acid. The cuprous ions combines with a hydroxy ion to form yellow cuprous hydroxide, which upon heating is converted to red cuprous oxide. Then Fillings and Thomas test to differentiate reducing sugar from non-reducing sugar. Reducing sugar reduces copper ions present in the filling solution so as to give red precipitate.